Everyone wants a fat bank account, right? Who wouldn't want the freedom to retire early, travel to exotic destinations like the Bahamas, and buy whatever their heart desires? It's the dream, isn't it? But getting there comes at a cost. If you're serious about growing your wealth and achieving financial freedom in the next few years, then this video is for you. Here are 10 proven strategies to help you hit your financial goals and maybe even buy that dream car or house you've always wanted. Stick around till the end because the last 3 tips will surprise you. Create a plan and manifest it first things first. Create a plan. It might sound cliche, but manifesting your goals works. Write down exactly what you want and give yourself a timeline. How much do you want to have in the next year, 2 years, or 5? Now read it out loud every week. Speak it into existence. Whether it's saving $4,000 in 12 months or buying a house in 2 years, keep reviewing it. Also, make room for adjustments as you go along. This is your journey. Be flexible. Say no to debt next. Say no to debt. Debt can help build your credit score, but it can also bury you. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt. Only borrow what you can afford to pay off in a short period. Think 2 to 3 years max. Remember, debt from buying assets like a home is different. But don't let consumer debt weigh you down. If you have any, create a plan to pay it off. Start with high-interest debts first, and prioritize clearing them before investing. Start saving now. Let's talk about saving. If you haven't started yet, what are you waiting for? Once you're debt-free, it's easier to build your savings. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for essentials, 30% for entertainment, and 20% for savings. But if you want to turbocharge your growth, try the 50-20-30 rule. Put 30% towards savings and 20% for fun. Cut back on non-essentials. Skip that daily coffee run. And find other ways to reduce expenses. Every little bit adds up. Open a retirement fund. You can't ignore the future. Open a retirement fund. Or, if you already have one, increase your contributions. A 401k is a great way to secure your future. Grows your money tax deferred and lowers your taxable income. Plus, with compound growth, your contributions can multiply over time. Start today and watch your wealth grow over the years. Identify investment opportunities. Once your savings are looking healthy, it's time to explore investments. Don't rush it. Do your research. There are plenty of options: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even real estate. But don't just jump into anything. Assess the risks and returns. A savings account is safe, but it won't grow your money like other investments can. Educate yourself and make smart choices. Review your investments. Investing isn't a one-time thing. You need to review your investments regularly. Are they growing as expected? Are you on track with your financial goals? Keep track of your net worth and assess how your assets are performing. Regular checkups allow you to adjust and stay on course to achieve your financial dreams. Seek expert advice. As your wealth grows, it might be time to get some expert advice. Many people think financial advisors are too expensive, but you might be surprised. The right advisor can help you make informed decisions, whether it's buying a house, expanding your investments, or planning your next move. Find someone with a proven track record and the right credentials to guide you. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Building wealth isn't about one big win. It's about making the right decisions, day in and day out. Stick to your budget. Keep following your plan. The journey may take time, but if you stay disciplined and consistent, the results will follow. Invest in Knowledge Narrator. Knowledge is power. Never stop learning about personal finance. Take courses, read blogs, and attend events that can help you make smarter money decisions. The more you know, the more you'll be able to maximize your opportunities. For entrepreneurs, staying updated on trends and learning new skills can give your business a competitive edge and increase your income. Maintain all your assets. Well, last but certainly not least, take care of your assets. Whether it's your car, your home, or even your health, proper maintenance prevents expensive repairs down the road. Neglecting what you own can lead to unnecessary costs. Most importantly, take care of yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally. You are your biggest asset. When you invest in self-care, you're protecting your future wealth. Conclusion. In summary, here are the 10 steps to growing your wealth. 10. Create a plan and manifest it. 9. Say no to debt. 8. Start saving. 7.
Open a retirement fund. 6. Identify investment opportunities. 5. Keep an eye on your investments or seek expert advice. 4. Be consistent. 3. Invest in knowledge. 2. Maintain all your assets well.